welcome back to ThinkBig Digital. To get Excel for free or to download it, consider this video as your escape. To use a free version of Excel, which is a pro tip for you, we will go to a new tab and we will search for excel.new, and it will take you to a free version of Excel which you can use easily. Now you will be able to see this edit spreadsheets online for free, this option. You can add a .com here or you can just leave it. Just go to this second website that you will see and it will open a free Excel on the web. You can just log in or you can just scroll down and start anything with the template. The other thing that you can do, you can go to office.com. For now we will go to Microsoft Store. You can search for Microsoft Store in the app section and double tap on your Microsoft Store. While you will come to this type of area, in the search bar type for Excel. Now you can go to this XLSX spreadsheet, just tap on that, and as I have already downloaded it, it is showing me an open option. For you it will show a get option, so you just have to tap on that and it will be downloaded for you. That's how you can easily use Excel for free, and it is as good as the paid version of Excel and Microsoft is. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Keep watching ThinkBig Digital.